Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, L'Exquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. Alright, let's do this wellness, y'all. Let's get into the wellness. Ow, 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 ow. So, I use the Rad Teacher, excuse my scribble scrabble on here, Rad Teacher sticker book. Now, let me sidebar y'all real quick. The Rad Teacher and the Wise Teacher are the same stickers, except one is classic size. Even though this says big, it's wrong. One is classic size and one is big size. The Wise Teacher is big size. Because I was going to use both of these and I was like, oh, I can't whoop whoop. And then I looked and I said, wait a minute now, player. Y'all done played me. But it's okay, I got it for the buy, sell, trade for the low, so that's alright though. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I pulled a few stickers and we're going to have to do a little bit of sticker surgery to get it all the way together. But I think we might have this set up. I don't do, for those of you who are new here, I don't do a lot of planning in my wellness planner because I use it mostly for gratitude and let me slow down. Let me slow down and back it up. If this is your first time with us on L'Exquisite Life, this top section I use for my steps for my Fitbit and my phone. This bottom, the numbers section I use for positive things of the day or something that I'm grateful for. This is if I went to the gym or did any kind of working out at all. And if you watched any of my flip throughs, you know I fell off horribly. And then this take note section is a section that I use for jotting down like any journaling or notes or feelings that I needed to get out that day. Because there's something about expressing your feelings that just makes you feel like a whole human being. So the first sticker I want to put down is today is going to be amazing. And once again, these are stickers from the teacher sticker book. So there is going to have to be a little, I don't want to say customization because that's not the word I'm looking for. Well, yeah, it is customization. You're going to have to cut some stickers to make them work for you, however you choose to. So, first thing I'm going to put down is all of my little quotes. I'm going to get all of those down. That one's crooked, but it's going to be what it's going to be. And then for our journaling section, put this noted one down there. This one's going to go... That one can go there. And this is a real simple plan with me. It wasn't a whole lot of. In this sticker book, there's different themes. So I used the theme that was all the way in the back. But I do have some plans, I must say. I do have some plans from this book. That's crooked too, but we're going to leave that alone. We're not even going to stress about it. So, let's go ahead and start doing some surgery on these stickers. So, as you can see, they all say assignment at the top. We're going to cut that off. Just plain and simple. We're going to cut it off because we use these stickers for our steps. So, for those of you who are new, I can't wear my Fitbit at work because it is a product that we sell in the warehouse and they don't want that product to get legs and walk away. This isn't the first time that I've experienced this at a job, so I'm kind of used to it. So my workaround to make sure that I am getting all the steps that I need in is to use my phone, because my phone has a low, what is it called? I always want to call it a speedometer, but it's not a speedometer. Pedometer? A step tracker. We're just gonna call it that. We're just gonna say it's a step tracker. So I'm just going to use my phone, or I've just been using my phone to keep track of my steps at work, and then I add up the steps that I did at work versus the steps that I did with my Fitbit before I walked into work, because I literally keep my Fitbit on until I pull in the parking lot. Once I pull in the parking lot, I take my Fitbit off. So that's a great way for me to keep track. I think this week I'm gonna put them all on the bottom. Yeah, we'll just put them all. Oh, well, since I'm gonna do that, I could turn this the other way and try to match up the rainbow, so then it seems consistent. Shall we? I think we shall. Let me get back in the camera, because we all know that is my biggest problem. And that one is going crooked, but we're not gonna tell nobody. And this side don't line up as well as the other side, but it still works. That's cute or whatever. Okay, let me go back to cutting off the rest of these assignments. So sometimes it takes me a while to plan my wellness, and then some days I breeze right through it. I think it kind of just depends on my mood, and since the wellness doesn't change very much, it's actually very easy for me to plan a spread in, because I know what I'm doing. It just depends on how decorative I really want to be. Okay, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but you know, they decided since I'm filming, they're gonna cut the grass. Which, let me give a little rant. They got 3 guys out there, right? One guy does the cutting with the big lawnmower thing, the riding one. Then the second guy comes through with the little one to get the edges. Then the third guy comes through with the blower. But they don't never come right after each other. It's always like a 10 or 20 minute span. So right when you think you're getting good, like I was trying to take a nap earlier, and right when my nap started to get good, and I mean good, like slobber, crust on the side of the mouth, eye boogers and all, this fool come with this blower. I wanted to slap the taste out his mouth. I don't know what he was tasting, but I sure wanted to slap the taste out of his mouth, because I sure was irritated. That nap was just starting to hit. It was starting to hit some places that a nap ain't hit in a while. You know what I'm saying? I was hyped and excited about that nap. And then here he comes. I was like, I know. That is not him with that darn blower. And then what I don't like is when you look at him out the window, he look at you like you the one with the problem. No, you the one with the problem, sir. That went over the edges a little bit, but that's cute. And just like that, we're pretty much done. I'm gonna look and see if I can find something to do something with that situation. That is bugging me. I used to use that as a water tracker, but I ain't. And then I was like, oh, well, I'm gonna put my one word of the day here. I ain't done none of that, Cletus. Could put the priorities there. Is that box long enough? That's the question. And I don't know how I feel about this blue. Let me see. Then I got those. And then it's this. And after this, I think it starts going into the other. Is this colorway? Hold on. I guess I done jump colorways. Oh well, Becky. Yeah, I think this priority sticker is going to be our best bet. But I don't have this many priorities. Not as far as my wellness is concerned. As far as my wellness is concerned, I just want to... If I cover up this, it won't cover up. Oh, this is a sticky situation. Let's see. We're gonna knock out our box paper. Let's see. So if I rest it on this bottom line, it doesn't cover up the tippy top. But if I put it on the tippy top, it leaves that bottom line. You get what the issue is here, right? So I gotta think about this real quick. How am I gonna work it? I could use one of these don't forgets. But what is it I'm trying not to forget? I don't really need the pencil or the apples there. Oh, I know what I could put down and don't forget. For my mental health. Do I want to use this one or do I want to use this one? I kind of want to use this one to break up some of this peachiness. So, let's make sure, because y'all know I can lay a sticker down crooked and try to get his. Okay. Yeah, that'll work out. That'll do it. And let me put this sticker back. We don't need to be wasting no stickers now. Throw that one back on in the pool. Bloop, 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 bloop. Sorry, y'all. I got that from got that from a guy that I watched that does he does DoorDash diaries. That's what he calls it. And he talks about how that's his name, Bentley Coop. Shameless plug. His name's Bentley Coop, and he does tips, tricks, and something else, because he says it, and it's like his little saying when he first starts the video. But anyway, he teaches you ways to make more money using DoorDash. That in actuality, some of the principles that he speaks about, you can apply in other aspects of your life. Okay. So we whited that out. And then I'm just to cover up that white out, I'm going to pop this me time sticker in. And I remember what I'm going to put right here. And I'm going to write it right now so I don't forget again. I need to find a good book. I could have made it bigger, but I feel like there's a couple other things that I need to remember for my mental health. But we're going to keep that to myself. So here is our wellness spread for July. Can you see me? For July 13th through the 19th, using the Rad Teacher sticker book. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.